Thankfully, flooding from Ida was not widespread here in Tennessee, but it did cause some scary situations. One courageous rescue was caught on camera. A woman clinging to a tree was saved after her car was swept away by floodwaters. News Channel 5's Sina Saleem shows us how it all unfolded.
Listening to Leapers Creek can be peaceful. But on Tuesday morning, it was anything but that. The Williamson County Sheriff's Office says 49-year-old Liliana Sarmiento was on her way to work just before 5:30. Just like she has done dozens of times before, she tried to cross Leapers Creek Road, but this time it was covered with high water.
Fortunately, it doesn't happen that often, but I think a lot of times people, especially at night, the water's there, but it doesn't look like it's that deep, and they try to go through, and sometimes it does happen. So.
Police say that's when her car got swept up and started floating. Liliana was able to get out of the car and get to a tree on the side of the creek. She clung to a branch and called police for help. Deputies captured the rescue on their body camera.
JC, she's right here. I can't get to her. Hold on!
Called out to her. She answered. She was the opposite side of the creek from where he was. The water was running quite rapidly at the time.
Hey, how are you?
Other units came in on the other side of the river and were able to locate her in the water and pulled her up out of the water into safety.
Yep, we're good. We're coming up.
Liliana was the only person in the ar, and we're told by family they are already working with crews to retrieve her car from the water.
Well, how's your day been so far? It's been rough, hasn't it?
Liliana was checked out by paramedics, and luckily there were no injuries. In Williamson County, Sina Saleem, News Channel 5.
Chief Deputy Mark Elrod says this incident serves as a good reminder to turn around, don't drown when you come across water when driving.